Hello everyone, what's up and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I have another bikini try-on haul for you guys. So starting off this haul strong, I think this might be my favorite swimsuit of the haul. Again, it's always so hard to decide because everything is seriously so cute, but I'm just in love with this. So this is the first swimsuit. It is a primarily white swimsuit, but of course it does have this blue and red accent. So the hem on the bottom is just blue as well as the one across the chest. And then the spaghetti straps, well, they're not really spaghetti straps. They're a little bit thicker. They're about like an inch thick, as you can see, but they are adjustable and I just love this suit. It really reminds me of like the 80s maybe the 70s. I don't know. I feel like I have the wrong time era, but it does have very like vintage varsity kind of vibes to it, in my opinion. I really love this. It's so simple but very, very effective, and I love when suits have multiple colors intertwined. So this would be really cute for 4th of July too, without being too over the top, because it does have red, white, and blue, but it's not, again, all in your face. These are just the matching bottoms to go along with it. So as you can see, it is a very high cut, high rise bikini bottom, and it is cheeky, but it does look like it has decently good coverage. So if you're not super comfortable with showing like a lot of tush, this probably would still be a very good option for you. Again, it's just a white bikini bottom, and then it has the same red trimming at the top of the waistband. This is going to be so cute together. I cannot wait to try this on. I absolutely love this suit. Like, I have never had anything like it, and I've never seen anyone with a suit like this. Also want to mention that suit is made of 85% recycled nylon, which is chef's kiss. We love that. This next swimsuit is just as fun as the first. I seriously am obsessed with this one as well. So this print is almost like a tie-dye print. It's not a traditional tie-dye print, but it's almost like a shibori technique, if you will. I don't know, I just really, really enjoy it. I love all the different colors in it. There's a little bit of yellow, blue, almost like teal and red. It is just a basic scoop neck in the front, but the back is a little bit different. I think this is quite spicy and fun. It does kind of taper into a triangle shape, and then it connects to that like thicker band around the like bra line. This suit isn't adjustable, so it is just going to fit how it is made. You can't adjust the straps or anything, but they do have a sizing chart on their website, so you can figure out what size will fit you best. And there is also removable pads inside if that's something you want to just take out. I usually keep mine in, but if they get to be a pain, you can just take them out. These are the matching bottoms to go along with it, so that same kind of print, and these are again a higher cut bikini bottom, so they go really high up on your hips, but they're not as high-waisted, if you will. So these look like they're going to be a little bit more cheeky than the previous ones, but again, I really enjoy a nice cheeky bottom. So the material of all these suits are so nice. Like, I feel like these are going to be so comfortable to just like live in all summer. And again, this suit is also made of recycled materials. I do actually have a cute little lounge set to share with you guys. So I'm a huge fan of like comfy clothes and just things that you can lounge around the house in and throw on and be really comfortable but also look super cute. So they did send me a pair of just like lounge shorts. So they are this just like light gray color. They do have the drawstring waistband, and I want to say these are kind of high-waisted, which is my favorite. I don't like anything if it's not high-waisted. So these are going to be so perfect for lounging around the house, and they are also really, really cute. So you could wear these out with like a little tank top to run errands or grab a coffee or whatever. These are really, really comfortable, and the fabric itself is like a waffle knit almost. So these are going to be great for year round, because I mean, I don't know about you, but I wear shorts even in the winter when I'm just in my house. And to go along with the shorts, I just have this little gray bandeau. I don't know if I would be fully comfortable wearing this out and about, but it would be a cute little undergarment for whatever you want to wear it with. It's like a cotton material, so it's super, super soft, and it has two little knot details in the front. This is pretty much like a bandeau, so I probably will wear this more so as an undergarment than a top, but together these are so adorable. The colors are slightly different, but that is mainly because the fabric is different. You know the TikTok that's like, no, I don't think you understand, I'm obsessed. That's me right now. I'm obsessed with every single thing in this haul. So the next suit is just as adorable as the other two. This one is such an adorable pattern. I'm a huge fan of prints and patterns. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but I do really enjoy them. I'm a very like vibrant, loud, fun person, so I feel like clothes and bathing suits are the best way to express that and kind of show your personality. So I feel like this is very much up my alley. This is the next suit. It is like a coral-ish color. It is just a triangle top bikini, and this one does have spaghetti straps, and these are adjustable, which is wonderful. The back just clasps with this little hook detail, so you just, you know, hook it shut, and it does have like little daisies on it. We love that. Dippin' Daisies. It's a full circle moment. But seriously, such a cute print. I love everything about this. And then the bottoms, again, are a different style than the other two, but I'm obsessed as well. So once again, they are a high cut, high rise bikini bottom. These ones, as you can see, have a very wide white band at the top. I would consider these to be probably like a medium coverage bottom because they're not gonna cover your entire bum, but they will still give you a little bit of cover. I absolutely adore this print. I think it's so fun and so cute, super flirty as well, and they did also send me a matching face mask to go along with it, so it's really nice because it's that same like swimsuit material, if you know what I mean. And they did also send me a couple filters to go in the middle as well. So not only are you going to be looking cute, but you also will have an effective mask. As we know, this is the world we live in now. They did send me another one. This one doesn't necessarily match the other swimsuits, but it's so cute as well. So it's just this navy blue color, and it has like a very simple crochet detailing to it. This one doesn't have adjustable straps, so hopefully it does fit me. They did also send me a cute little like mauvey pink scrunchie. You guys know this is my favorite color, and you can never have too many scrunchies. I live in scrunchies because majority of the time I get sick of my hair being down and in my face, so I just throw it back up into a ponytail or a bun, but I never want to have that like ponytail crease. So I will be wearing scrunchies for the unforeseeable future. Even if they go out of style, I will still be partaking in them. The final item of this haul is a little beach cover-up, and I am obsessed with this kind of cover-up. I think anyone who wears them, they look like they've got their life together, and it's always just such a chic way to wear a cover-up to the beach but still look cute. This is what the cover-up looks like. It's just a crop top and it ties in the front. So, I mean, you could wear this as a shirt as well with like a really cute bralette underneath it. I think that would be awesome for the summertime. It is long sleeve and it does kind of gather at the wrist. There is a button detail right there, and the material is like 100% rayon, so it's very lightweight and it is a little bit translucent, but nothing crazy. Again, it is a beach cover-up, so it doesn't have to be completely opaque, but I just really love it, and I'm definitely going to be getting a ton of use out of this once I can wear a swimsuit again. We have come to the end of today's try on haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed and liked the pieces that they sent me. I cannot get over how cute everything is and the quality is amazing. So definitely going to last me quite a few seasons. It's not gonna just be like wear it this summer and then throw it out. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys to the moon and back. Let me know which item was your favorite, and I think with all that being said, I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.